Yeah. Swag.
Hello, YouTube. I am making this video to show you how to make a simple YouTube intro. So here's my intro right here. Okay. Hold on a second. Okay, so this is how you do it. So here's mine.
Just please. Yeah. Swag.
Might be a little glitchy, I'm sorry if it is, but that is it. So I'm going to show you how to do that simply. So I'll just go make a new one. You can copy these if you want. Just those are my settings. Just pause it if you want to see them. So okay, now just go to media generators, solid color. Now choose a color you want, anyone you want. I choose white. So wait, I'm sorry, before you do this, insert video track. Insert about 3 video tracks. Now put this one on the bottom. Okay, now just leave that how it is for now. So now what you do is go to color gradient. Now choose this one, drag it in and put it there. Now drag 1 into the middle and drag 2 to the very right corner as far as you can get to. Now press change color space to HSL. Now change, oh wait, hold on, I'm sorry. Now that should be good. Okay, so now click that. Now go to elliptical ring and put the add in that up here. Now click 2 and drag 2 to whatever color you want. You can choose, I'm going to choose let's say red. Okay, dark red. So get out of that. Now you have a dark red. So now what you do is right click and press insert text media. Now that you have that, just type in what your name is. Mine is I'll just do, actually I'm just gonna do because I really don't know which YouTube account I'm gonna upload this to. So this is my, I'm just saying this is my YouTube account, Shablang. So now I'm gonna get out of that. Now drag this down to its own, then drag it up to the top. So now you have it like this, as you see it here. Now I'm gonna just, before we move on, go into here, and you can choose this if you want. It really doesn't matter. Just kind of make it look good, and then go to shadow. Whoops. Oh man, it doesn't. Okay, hold on. Okay, now go 016 016. Now if anyone's wondering where I got this idea for the video, I am actually kind of getting this idea from someone else. I'm not completely copying them. I hope they don't get mad at me, but I just wanted to show other people to commercialize his. I'll put his name in the description or in the video, in the beginning of the video, or right now. It doesn't, anywhere pretty much. So Shablam, that's my name. So now click on it and press Control C. Press over here and press Control V. Press OK to that. And now scroll, take this one and name it name it pretty much what you do. So I'm gonna name it gaming. Okay. Now you'll see what I'm saying once I get more into it. So I'm gonna drag this down here, drop it there. I'm gonna drag it all the way up and drop it here. Now do it again. Control C, Control V. Okay. Now drag it down, drag it up. There. Now do it one more time. At least I'm gonna do it one more time, because you'll see what I'm doing once I'm done. Drag it down. And the reason I have to do this, drag it down, drop it up, is because so then it makes its own column, and so it's not all mixed up. So once you're done with that, now you see it's all mixed up. So what you're gonna want to do now is, before you start anything else, actually what you should do is drag this so it's as long as your there. The blue line should pop up to tell you where the other clips go to. So drag it to there. Now what I'm gonna do is go through here, gaming. So I'll just whoopsies. I'm gonna press this little green thing. Press. Now I'm gonna do a slash because I'm doing. You'll see what I'm doing. Slash. Or you could do this, but I like to do the slash more. It looks more, I don't know, good. Now see, it's still all mixed up, and that doesn't help with the mixed up. Now after you're done with that, now press Unshablam and hold on and zoom it in as much as you can. Try to do it in the middle area. Let's try to do it about, and you're gonna have to kind of monitor yourself back here, but you can't really because it's so small. But so what you're first gonna want to do before you do that is zoom in like I'm saying. So keep zooming in until you can't see it much anymore. Now press position and click over 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and your right arrow. So now that you're done with that, now right click it and press restore. Now I'll show you what it does. It kind of zooms in. I know there's other ways of doing it, but this is a kind of cool way. Cool way. So do it with this one. Now I'm gonna do it with the rest, and I'll play it once I'm done. Okay, I've now finished doing that, so now you can see they all zoom in. Okay, now at the same time. So now what you have to do before you do anything else is aim each one up. So go like this. You have to kind of go kind of like this, and now put this up here. Okay. So now now put this next one about here, and you can make it. You should make them smaller also. Make them smaller. Okay. Now try to make them about the same size each, so they don't look all weird. So put this here. Now try to make it about the same size. I'm not gonna be exact. I mean, I'm not like making an actual video like this, but I'm gonna try to get it kind of close. Now I have it in bad quality because if I don't, then it gets all laggy. So just to let you know, right now, like that. Okay, so now you have Shablam. Okay, now here it is. Alright, now you see they all go in at the same time. This one's a little lower, I'm sorry, but I'm not going to get it exact. Actually, I might try a little. Oh well, I'll just leave it like that. Okay, so, gaming, yeah. See, I'm doing, like, what, here, I'll change this one so you can see. These are the kind of topics I do. So, let's say, iPod. There. There we go. Now iPod Touch Gaming. This is what I do. So I'm gonna go back to the beginning and look at it. Okay. So now you're gonna kind of want to make these like this, short. Oh, whoops. Okay. Now, shablam, and then iPod Touch Gaming. Then you just add in your music here. So I'm gonna add in my music. Hold on, I'm gonna add in my music. Where is my music? Hold on. Import media, libraries, music. I'll just press open. Now I have my music, so I will insert my music. Then I will put this about right there. Okay. So then I will. Well, first, before I go on, I'm going to show you how to do it with sound and everything. So, press your track FX right here. Then, go plug in chain. Press pitch shift.
845.
And then reverb. And okay. Uncheck reverb for now. Okay. So now go here. And I'm going to make it slow. Okay. Make it lower pitched. So then I'm gonna go out here and mess with this. Hold on. Okay, and this one should be like there. Hold on. Okay, I'll just leave it there. Now check it. Close that. That's for echo. Now to play it. So I will let you listen to this music afterwards. Can't play it right now. I will play it afterwards though. I'll show you the two videos finished.
Hey, and it's the best day ever.
So, then you, once you're done, once you're all completed with the intro, just click on here, just left click, press split, right click this, press delete, and there you go. Then just press file, save it, or file render, so you can use it even if you don't have Vegas Pro available. You can use your intro on other programs. So that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.